So I'm out here looking at a pool. The homeowner was concerned that there may be a leak. Their water use has gone up quite significantly. And so I'm here at the pool. I'd like to walk you through what I'm looking at to maybe help you troubleshoot whether you have a leak or not. When you see those water bills come through, it makes people a little nervous. So here's what I'm looking at. I'll just show you the pool side real quick. So everything's turned off right now. Just turn the equipment off so I can take a look at it. As you can see, I'm standing here before the basin. The way the pool operates, the pool flows from the basin and then it pulls water back up into the pool. And so if you have a leak, you will see it show up in the basin. And if you have a significant leak, it's gonna show up disproportional to the actual water loss. Because what happens is, let's say you lose a 1/2 inch on the top end of your pool, we'll multiply the surface area of that 1/2 inch from the main pool and now make it fit in this basin. And you're gonna see a huge and drastic drop if there's any leak. So right now I'm looking at it and it seems pretty good considering all the factors. Like this doesn't say leak to me. Now if we take a look here, our autofill, it's off. I don't hear it making any effort to put water into the pool. So that makes me think that there's no leak in the pool, which brings us to the next issue or concern. Let me show you the equipment room real quick. Again, another beautiful property. Here we are. Turned everything off so you could hear me speak. This line is where I would expect the autofill to be set up. If we take a look at it, the valves are all open. There's a little cutout back here. I just checked that to be sure. It looks like that valve is open. So right away I'm thinking, all the valves are open. We have no flow into the pool. A quick investigation around back because we want to make sure, well, are there any other shut-off valve locations potentially? Take a look in here. I haven't checked, but sometimes they hide them in here. No, I don't see anything that suggests a shut-off valve. So basically the concern is here, and the conversation we're going to have here in a minute, is the pool seems fine, but the autofill line is on and the pool's not getting water. That makes me think and suspect that the feed coming to their autofill might be busted. So there you go. Maybe we'll have a project to show you here in a little bit. But hopefully that helps you with some troubleshooting, and we'll see you next time.